Hi everybody, this is my Shopkins Lego, and these Shopkins can come apart, but after I'm done videoing this, I'm going to play with this, and I can move the Shopkins around, and these are little 2 stars. Actually there's 4, but I don't know how many there is, so when this video is over, I'm going to count them and play with this a little while. Well, my Nana and Papa are coming tonight. They live far away in Cincinnati, though. But I hope they see my Lego Shopkins. There's these guys. There's a little sweets. There's French fries and a hot Pepsi. There's some kind of this guy and this movie and a donut. And there's sushi. That's the guys. All the Shopkins that I have are girls. But I've been building a lot of Legos that I'm hoping I'll have a Lego store like my friend that lives far away. Anyway, here's what the box looks like. There's supposed to be a mystery one, and the donut was the mystery one. Actually, it's called a pretzel, but I've been building a lot of Legos. And me and my dad have worked really hard to do this. There's little kinds of things that me and my dad don't know what are. I think they are a feat for the rest of my Shopkins, but in case you have more Shopkins. Anyway, we have this little sugar maple apple guy, and we have this little palm tree here. These are signs, and these are stickers that I got to put on. I got in this little thing. And this little door can open and shut. But these two attach to each other. So this is a light, I think, that will light up their backyard. And I have Elsa pajamas on, but I've been building a lot. Some are my dad's, some are my mom's, and some are mine. I've been building a lot. I've been building a Moana one. I've been building a Little Mermaid one. I don't know how many I built so far. It's like going all over the place. Isn't that silly? What? You lost your voice, Daddy. It's the silliest thing. Maybe someone took its voice. But there's some of these pieces that I don't know are for. But I think they are extra pieces. Anyway, there's these little things. And this has to stay there until it's time to play. And I've been building a Cinderella one that's over there on the shelf. And I also have had this, but it doesn't go to this or any of my other Legos or my dad's or my mom's. My dad is the one who's hurting, holding the phone. Well, I have lots of stuff. I have Barbies, Legos. What?
Are you done talking about this one?
No!
Okay.
My brother is going to bed. And this is really cool, but this thing has spicy stuff. But this does not. It has Mexican stuff. These are little seats for people, and this is a little microwave.
Sushi is Mexican?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this little thing can open and shut. And this little guy here is a little sweet apple. And it's carried by this little stick. In case you don't know, I also have this sundae.
Is that guy a candied apple?
Yes. And I also have this little guy sundae. But the next one I'm building is a dinosaur roller coaster. That's not Legos, but I'll take a video of that too.
Is it this one right here?
Yes, it's that one. It's really cool. And there's this little dinosaur, and you get to go in his mouth. Goodbye.